Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selling. Today I'm going to be coming up to you with a makeup tutorial. It's basically half cut crease matte new eye look. If you're interested, you want to see how I achieve this eye look, please keep watching.
These lights all around me keep blinding my eyes from you and the truth. Don't tell me why. I know you won't save my life, save my life. And you keep on, you're making the waves. You and I will
So guys, to start up, I'm just going to be trying to fix my wig, make my wig on point, and try to spray some got2b glue spray so that it can hold for the main time before I finish my makeup look. And I'm just going to put it into a bun, and then later I just take a scarf and then tie it backward so that I don't have foundation and eyeshadow on my hair. I don't like it. Okay, so yeah. So guys, as you can see, I did one eye off camera, so to save time for this video I just want to focus on this eye look. Okay, and I'm really loving the result, how it turned out too. I wasn't really struggling that much. Yeah, to start up, I'm just going to be taking my L.o.v Girl concealer in the shade nude. I'm just going to basically apply a bit on my eye, and then later I blend it with my Juvias synthetic fluffy brush, and laterwards I'm just going to set it with a bit of loose setting powder from creasing. Since we are doing a bit of glitter today, I just need to pre-prime everything will be intact. So yeah, and to achieve this look I'm going to be using the Juvias Blaze masquerade palette, and I'm taking that kind of skin tone shade, and I'm taking this brush by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I'm just going to basically start applying the shade on my crease, and then same time I'm just going to float it out towards my brow area, towards the end of my brow. So yeah, because I'm going to make this eye as a cat's eye, so I'm going to be taking the next shade. That is a beautiful dark orange shade. I'm still going to apply it on my crease as well and blend it towards my inner corner, and switch to another tiny small round brush. I'm taking this shade. This is a very light purple, if that is the right color, a bit purple, a bit brownish. So I'm just going to buff that on my crease. I use 4 color or 5 color on my crease, so I'm going to be taking this very dark brown and dark purple, and at the same time still apply it on my crease, and I'm blending until I'm satisfied. I'm just going to apply to give my eye, or to cut my crease. To cut my crease, I'm going to be using this NYX Jawbone pencil in milk. The reason why I'm using the white pencil is because when I apply the liquid lipstick on my lid, it's going to pop out more. So yeah, and I'm going to be taking this NYX liquid soda liquid lipstick. I'm just going to apply it first at the back of my hand, try to massage it a little bit before I go and apply it on my crease that I just cut. I'm just going to apply it gently, just tap it, do not swipe it, if not it's just going to mess, it's going to be patchy. So I'm going to be taking that the same shade, the one I used to smoke out my outer corner and my crease. I'm just going to gently apply that. I'm just dabbing because my eyelid is still super duper wet, it's not yet dry. So yeah, I'm just going to be patting until I notice that the ash line is no longer being seen. So my eyelid is still not dry. I decide to take a hand fan just to make everything faster. I'm just trying to fan my face, at the same time making funny face and just make fun of myself like I used to do. I'm just so fan, and yeah, I'm going to be mixing 2 glitter. One is a bit kind of silver dark silver and the NYX light purple silver. I'm going to mix them together, and I'm taking this NYX NYX glitter glue. I'm just going to be taking this Body So synthetic concealer brush. I'm going to be applying that a bit, just tap tap tap. I'm not applying on my lash line because I will put a big, I'm going to be applying a very bold liner, so I just go above my liner. I try to apply the glitter on my middle eyelid, not on my lash band. If not, you are going to get a very patchy eyeliner. So yeah, I'm just going to do a very bold liner. I'm using the Maybelline eyestudio gel liner, my favorite. So yeah, I'm just going to do a bold liner. In the same time, I'm still going to apply that as well on my waterline.
Don't tell me why. I know, no, you won't save my life. Save my life. Baby, keep.
I'm going to be taking that kind of light purple, orange shade. I'm just going to buff that on my lower lash line with the same Anastasia brush, the smaller side. And I'm taking this L.o.v mascara. I'm just going to apply that on my lashes. As you can tell, my window was the light from my window was just too distracting, so I just had to close the curtain so we can get a little bit of better view. So I'm going to pop on my lashes, my favorite lashes from Amazon. I'm going to be taking this MAC lip liner. This one is called Nightmoth. I'm just going to line my lips and at the same time fill in my lips with it. I'm taking this liquid lipstick by MAC, and this one is called Fashion Legacy. I haven't used this lipstick for quite some time, so yeah, I really love how this look turned out too. Please let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Please share the video, and yeah, take care, stay blessed, ciao.
Don't tell me why. I know, no, you won't save my